How to recover forgotten password on Snapchat. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and I'm here to guide you how you can recover your forgotten password on Snapchat. To know how you can do this, watch this video till the very end. So first of all, make sure that you have updated and installed the latest version of Snapchat on your phone so that you won't miss out any new features on Snapchat. If you have already done so, then simply open Snapchat on your device. After opening a Snapchat on your device, you will now see an interface like this. So after seeing an interface like this, on the top left side you will see there is a profile. Just tap on your profile, which is on the top left side, and on the top right side you will see there is a gear icon. So when you tap on that gear icon, which is the icon of settings, you can just scroll down up until you see the option of password and just tap on forgot your password. And now you can set new password via phone or via email. You must enter your email or phone when you want to recover your password. The code will be sent in your respective contact number or your email, and then you can simply tap the code and re-enter the new password by which you can solve this problem. I hope this video helped you. If you like the video, then please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.